Hey, it's been a while. Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the most aesthetic food that I have today. Right now I live alone without my parents, and to be honest, it was one of the biggest challenges that I ever had in my entire life. After some time I realized I have to actually make a plan, and today I'm gonna share with my plan for this week, how I organized my food. And guys, before we start, please don't forget to like this video, and if you'll have any thoughts during this video, please comment down below. And the first one is breakfast. One of the reasons why I've decided to change my breakfast routine, because I was so unsatisfied with this one. I used to eat just yogurts or some fruits or anything else. First of all, after 2 hours I was completely hungry, I couldn't think straight. So this time I actually changed my mind. I use kefir and it's very tasty. I actually purchased one of the most tastiest kefirs in my life. It's kind of multi-fruit, but the main component of it is mango. So whenever you go to the shop or anywhere else, you can try this out and maybe find something that you like. But if you don't find kefir like that, you can actually use the jam. So you can just buy additional jam, put it to kefir and mix it up and make it more flavorish. Second of all, I used berries. I used raspberries, blueberries and blackberries, and raspberries, it's my love. I also used the chocolate a bit. I chopped it up by little fractures. I also used the protein. Also, I used nuts and pomegranate. It's just additional one. If you want to use something else, you can use it, but because I had it in my house, so I decided to put everything here. As you can see, it contains a lot of components. A lot of components starting from fruits, berries, and finishing with some nuts. And this breakfast makes me fulfilled for about 4 and 5 hours, and it's actually amazing. So I like this one. It's pretty light, very tasty, and it feels like heaven. Very aesthetic, but the best thing is actually the taste. Lunch. The lunch. I am in Italy and I realized I have to make something more Italian-ish. I'm not sure if it's real pasta. If you're Italian and you know how to make a real pasta, please forgive me, but I will call it a pasta because it's how I imagine the pasta. First off, I use the spaghetti, the normal spaghetti. I boil them for about like 10 minutes and that's enough. And the second part, as you can see, I use these special pasties. I remember its real name for this one, but it's kind of a sauce. I think you can use any sauce to it. One of the reasons why I can use that, because if you want to make your spaghetti more juicy, I think you have to use some type of sauce or pasty that will make your spaghetti more juicy, and I use this one. It's amazing. It has no flavor, no taste at all, but it makes spaghetti more juicy and you don't have to drink a lot of water, and it's one of the greatest things. I had the ground beef this time, but you can use any other beef. I also bought the beef fillet, and fillet is amazing. It's very nice. I also use the tomato sauce. I add some garlic to it. I add some pomodoros, it's tomatoes to it, and I just cook it like that. At the lunch I can accept and I can digest the beef or any type of meat, or I can digest the carbohydrate pretty easily because it's the lunch and it's in the middle of the day. I cannot let myself to eat, for example, spaghetti in the morning or in the dinner. At dinner time, I usually have like at 9 p.m., which is pretty late, and if I will eat something like beef or spaghetti, I'll probably feel bad and I will probably experience some difficulties going to sleep. But having that at the lunch, it's pretty nice. Alrighty, and the third one is dinner. I decided that I have to have also a very light dinner, and one of the greatest things and one of the most amazing things that you can create, it's eating salads. This salad is a little bit more complicated because it contains a lot of components, but from the other side it makes me full, so I don't want to eat again after like a couple of hours. First component is spinach. Anything which is green I think you can use, but I use spinach at this time. I also boil 2 eggs for about 10 minutes. It contains protein and it adds a little bit more texture to it. It makes it more full, let's say, and whenever you eat that, you feel that you're eating real food, not just, you know, leaves. Because whenever I eat just leaves or I eat some lettuce, it doesn't feel like I'm eating a real food, if it makes sense. But with eggs, it makes it more real. The next one is chicken salad. I also eat the chicken salad, and this chicken salad is especially for a Greco salad. If you'll see my sauce, I also use the Greco sauce. I was thinking about buying the Caesar sauce because I'm a sucker for Caesar sauce, but this time I bought the Greek sauce, and to be honest, it's pretty nice. Again, it makes the salad full. It makes it more real, like a real meal, like a proper meal. Don't forget about tomatoes and about the cucumbers. Cucumbers. They contain a lot of water inside of them, which makes your salad not so dry. And of course I add the Greco sauce to it and make the salad more juicy again. In the end, if you want, you can use some cheese. I used just normal cheese. You can use the Parmesan. I really like the salad. First off, I feel fulfilled and I feel that I'm eating normal food at the dinner. It's not so hard to digest, which makes I can actually eat and go to sleep in 1 hour. And it's pretty aesthetic. It looks very nice. By the way, if you go down to the description, you'll see my social media, my Instagram, my TikTok, my Pinterest. If you're interested, please go there because I try to post more aesthetic photos and more aesthetic content. As well, if you haven't watched my previous video about my first haul that I've ever created, it's my first video in English, please watch this out. I would actually be very grateful for this one. And if you leave your feedback for this video and my previous video as well, I would really appreciate this one. So, if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions or anything to share, you can write in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to like this video. Welcome to All We Want Is Aesthetics, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Hey kids, spelling is fun. Dun dun dun, I-N-G. Dun 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 me. 10, 1, 2, 3. Never felt like me. Okay.